Hardscapes are everything, and hardscape is your flooring. You got to pick the right color. Before I had a darker floor. Now this floor is a herringbone pattern. It's probably the hardest floor to install. As a matter of fact, there was 2 guys every day for a week from Unique Flooring to installing this. My good friend at PURPARKET, his name is Nick. I went to his warehouse, and he's a big supplier, even bigger than I thought. And I watched how his company finished these floors, baked the finish on them, and they're very particular about what they do and what they send out. This ended up being quite the, I guess, statement of the room right away throughout, complementing all that tile in the front foyer from JBG Tile. They supplied it, they installed it. Again, a professional company. I wanted to keep it very warm. I didn't want it to stand out. I really wanted it to complement the colors. I wanted to pick up the whites and the browns and go throughout from this area into the stairs. And you can see that. All those colors are now coordinating in. It feels comfortable. I really like this. This is not a castle. This is a 2,500 square foot home that, yes, we're going to put a sunroom on, and that's going to complete it. But remember, my property is everything. Everything outside I worked on first, then I came indoors, then I'm going to go back out again in the spring.